Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your home address on Waze. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, first of all, you have to access your particular Waze app on your mobile phone. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and then you will find this option called home, and simply tap on this home option given below. And now you're going to tap on this, enter your home address. Now you're going to enter your particular home address of yours, and now you can see the home address is now saved. Again, you're going to go back, and then if you tap on this, then you're going to go back, tap on this horizontal and top left corner of the screen. Now tap on your account name on top and tap on this home and work option here, and you will find that home address of yours, right? Go ahead, tap on this pencil icon beside, and simply go ahead, enter your particular home address. Once you're done, it will be confirmed. Same goes for the work as well. Tap on it, and now enter a particular work address of yours, and you will be able to add your particular home or work address for you, just like that, or you can change it according to you as well. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.